Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Carlos here once again from Premier Cuts, and we have another unboxing video. This time we're going to be unboxing the VGR model number V282. I got this one from AliExpress. I'm going to look to see if I can find it on Amazon to give you a better link. If not, then the link that I give you will be the one I bought from AliExpress. As I came across this machine, obviously appearance definitely got me interested in the way it looks, and hopefully the build quality looks as good as this in the photo. Before we get to the unboxing, let's see what this thing has to offer. So, professional blade, whatever. If you guys don't know this, I want to say 99% of the clippers that are manufactured off-brand clippers like VGR, Chemi, Suker, and any other brand that use these same machines, they use it off a wall system, if you guys don't know. So the blades is going to be using their wall, they're like wall blades, not wall blades itself like the Fast Fade blade or something like that, but it's that design so your wall guards are going to fit this machine. They won't fit if you're using Andy Masters guards. So hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying. If you don't, just leave a comment down below. But like I said, this is a design from a wall clipper. So we have the whatever advertising of the professional blade. This is a 2000 milliamp battery. It should be good depending on how fast this blade can cut. Obviously it has an adjustable lever and it's cordless, and as you see right here, it has the LED readout, gives you the percentage of your battery, which I always love. One of the reasons why I'm always attracted to these budget-friendly clippers. And then if we turn to the back, it says 3-hour charge time, 200 minutes of operating time. I don't know how accurate that is, but we're gonna see. Further on, we have the actual, it comes with 6 guards, protective cape. Like, I don't care about most of this stuff. Oil bottle, that's good. USB charging cable, that's good, it's combo. And I'm not sure how good these guards are gonna be, but you know, I really am more interested in the machine as a whole. So let's get right into this box and see what we have. So right off the rip, we see we are presented with the machine. This looks interesting. Before I take the machine out, let's see all the stuff inside. Usually it's right over here. Okay, so we have the guards. I'll tell you the numbers. I have to be honest, right off the rip, I'm not a fan of these kind of guards. I think they're very cheap, but will they work? Most likely they will work. This one in my hand is a number 4. Then we have the number 3, number 2, one and a half, 1, and then the half, which is pretty cool. Most of these don't come with a half. So that is everything as far as guard wise that comes with. Move everything to the side. We have a cleaning brush and also oil. It's very good. We have a comb. Nice that they threw that in there. And we have the USB charging. So this is the USB aspect of it, and then this is the charging cable. So here it is. And we'll see. Then we have some documentation. All right, so this box is falling apart. Let's put this to the side over here. Let's bring this guy out. And I obviously like the design. It is a plastic, Seems to be a hard plastic, but it is a plastic nonetheless. Let's take this out. I like the design of the blade, it being a black blade, but it also is a ridge blade. I'm a fan of the ridge blade because if you are someone who can cut a little bit faster, ridge blades are better for that. They're gonna give you a good solid cut. And overall, let's turn this on and see what we got. Okay, so hey, it comes fully charged already. That's great. It feels like it has some solid power. I like the throw on it, and when I say throw, it's the length of from 0. So if I have it, let me try to get a good. So if I have it fully closed, let me turn it off. If I have it fully closed to what would be considered 0 gap to fully extended open, you can see. So it gives you a good throw. And I'm always a fan of that because it helps make the transition between skin to the one a lot easier because it gives you a good half. So I like the design. The build quality seems to be, you know, on the plastic side, but still feels good in the hands. How durable it will be, I guess that's what time will tell with these videos. You know me, I like to take my time with them. I love the gives you a 3-digit indicator percentage. Some of these only give you 2, so it goes to 99 and then works its way down. As you see, it just hit 99 right there. So I will be using this. I will be using it with the blade. I will let you know how it works with the blade. My biggest complaint with a lot of these clippers is I haven't really found all but one that I was actually very impressed at. The blade it came with, that was a Chemi 1986 original, not the pro version. The pro version I didn't even like, but the original 1986 blade that came with it was very good. And I just left it on there. I never even changed it. So I'm interested to see if this blade's good at all, and will I have to change it to be able to use it in a shop environment. Most of the time you can use these blades at home without any issues, but that's what's we're gonna find out in the full review. So guys, thank you for tuning in. This is the unboxing of the VGR V282. Make sure you are subscribed to see the review of this video. Obviously I have other videos that I will be working on at the same time, and be sure to leave a like, a comment down below what you want to know about this machine and what machine you think I should be taking a look at next. By the way, make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's where you're gonna find out when some of these videos are being worked on. Also, I like to show this machine at work before the video comes out. So make sure you guys are staying tuned to my Instagram where you can see a lot more behind the scenes stuff. And on that note, I'll see you around. Peace.